Meaning of era.
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 Era. The term era refers to a particular period of time, often characterized by significant social, cultural, or political developments. It is a broad term that can refer to anything from a decade to a century or more. An era can be defined by a range of factors, including technological advancements, artistic movements, or major historical events. Understanding different eras can provide valuable insight into the evolution of society and culture over time, helping us to contextualize our present moment and better understand the forces that shape our world.